Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing crisp set and difference between fuzzy set and crisp set. A crisp set is a set containing elements that have a full membership or complete membership on that set. Okay, this is a definition of crisp set. Elements are either the member of set or not. No element is present in both the sets. We will discuss one example. Here, suppose we have a set U, which is set of all students. Okay, we call it as a universal set. And we have three sets, set A, B and C. Set A contains student in 5th grade. Set B contains students in 6th grade. And set C contains students in 7th grade. So, you know that if a student is present in 5th grade, he will not be there in 6th and 7th grade. In the same way, if student is present in 6th grade, he will not be there in 5th or 7th grade. And same is applicable for the grade 7. We can say that all the three will be distinct sets. No element will be present in the another set. This is nothing but a crisp set. Either the element is present in that set, or if it is present in that set, it will not be there in the another set, and it will be present completely in that set. In case of we can say that it is like a Boolean logic. Set element can be there, that is yes or no. Now we will discuss difference between fuzzy set and crisp set. Okay. The very first difference between fuzzy set and crisp set is fuzzy sets are prescribed by vague or ambiguous property. Vagueness means what? There is not a definite assurity or certainty in that set, or we can say the element can be present in both the set. And in case of crisp set, it is defined by precise and certain characteristics. Then second difference is elements are allowed to be partially included in the set. Here elements are either member of set or not. Third difference is it is indefinite valued, and means it can have any number of values ranging between 0 and 1. But in case of crisp set, there will be only two values. That is, it can be present in the set or it cannot be present in the set. And the application, it is used in fuzzy controllers. That is, fuzzy sets are used in fuzzy controllers, and crisp sets are used in digital design. We will discuss one example so that it will be clear to you the difference between fuzzy set and crisp set. This is an example of fuzzy set. Okay, what we discuss, fuzzy set have vagueness or ambiguous property, and one element can be present in two different sets. So here you can say see, we have U, universal set of all student, G is a set of good student, B is a set of bad student. Okay, यहाँ पे you can see set G is having three elements ABC, and set B is also having three elements ABC. Means elements ABC are present in both the sets. That is what we called as it is a ambiguous and it is vague. Okay. And elements are allowed to be partially included in the set. Partially included means what? It is included in both the sets. And what does value indicate? This value indicate the membership value. Higher the membership value, the element will be strongly associated with that set. Lower the membership value, element will be weakly associated with that set. But this will not happen in case of a crisp set. See the example of crisp set. यहाँ पे देखो, universal set of all student, set A, B, C. Set A is a set of students in 5th standard or 5th grade. Set B is a set of students in 6th grade, and set C is a set of students in 7th grade. And you can see we have represented all the three sets differently, because the property of crisp set is elements are either member of set or not. Means if a student is present in 5th standard, he will not be a part of 6th or 7th standard. And same is applicable for 6th and 7th standard. That's why it is defined by precise and certain characteristics. There is no chance of uncertainty, and elements are either member of set or not, and it is bivalued, that is either yes or no, or we can say 1 or 0, and the application is in the digital design. So this is a basic difference between fuzzy set and crisp set. To see more videos on this topic fuzzy logic, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.